How to make the perfect hard-boiled egg. 10-15 minutes before you're ready to cook. Pull them out of the fridge. Fill a pot halfway full of water. Place it on the stove and start it to boil. Remember not to fill it too full because the eggs are going to take up space once they go in the water and the water level is going to rise. Once your pot reaches a rolling boil, it's time to add your eggs. Gently place the eggs down into the boiling water. Once the eggs are in, set a timer for 11 minutes. Let them boil. After exactly 11 minutes, when your timer goes off, remove the eggs from the heat. And don't forget to turn off the stove. Start a cold stream of water. Place the eggs in the cold stream of water and let it continuously flow. When you start to stop seeing steam come out, you can slowly run off some of the water to continuously slowly cool down the eggs. I personally believe all that ice bath stuff is absolute nonsense. You don't want to shrink the membrane down across onto the egg. It makes it so much harder to peel. Let this do this gradually and naturally. Once the water is cool enough to put your hand in, spin the eggs around so that they start to cool down. Once the eggs are nice and dizzy and the water is nice and cold, you can go ahead and turn it off. You can let them hang out for another 2-3 minutes. After a couple minutes, you can dump the remaining water out of the pot. If for some reason you get your boiled eggs mixed up with your unboiled eggs, here's how to check. An unboiled egg spins like that. A boiled egg spins like this. For best results, peel immediately. Look, I've almost peeled a whole half dozen, and not one has a ripped skin or tear. Watch how easy they peel. I'm telling you, perfect boiled eggs every time. Give them a good rinse to get off all the shells. After you peel the fresh boiled egg, don't make this mistake and bite right down into it. Make sure you cut the first one open and check to see how hot it is inside before. I've definitely removed the top layer of skin off the roof of my mouth. Perfect. No dark gray ring on the outside, meaning you boiled it too long, and no gooey golden center, meaning you didn't cook it long enough. Just perfect boiled eggs every time. So yeah, you don't need any of that crap, vinegar or salt in the water or an ice bath afterwards. A pot, a heat source, water, and some good eggs. I like mine with freshly ground salt and pepper and a couple dashes of my favorite 2 Tabascos. You can eat your boiled eggs whole, use them to make egg salad, deviled eggs, whatever you like. If you want an extra kick, try Steve-O's hot sauce for your butthole. And if you're really up for a challenge, try Steve-O's Butthole Destroyer. Yeah, dude! You can store your fresh boiled eggs in a plastic bag, and I've had them stay good in the fridge for up to a week. You can add your salt and pepper and hot sauce right in there, and they're perfect for a snack on the go. You can take them to work and annoy your coworkers with how great it smells when you're ripping open these in your cubicle. Or take them to your favorite amusement park and annoy everyone in line with your dirty farts. And puke your guts out after each ride. And now you know how to make the perfect boiled egg every time.